Hello everyone, welcome. In our previous lessons, we've been learning how to tell time in French. So let's review what we know already. The first thing is asking the question, what time is it? Which is, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? You learned how to say it's 1 o'clock, il est 1 heure. It's 2 o'clock, il est 2 heures. It's 3 o'clock, il est 3 heures. It's 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. It's 5 o'clock, il est 5 heures. You learned how to add minutes after the hour. Il est 1h05. It's 1:10. Il est 1h10. It's 2:12. Il est 2h12. It's 3:20. Il est 3h20. It's 5:25. Il est 5h25. You also learn how to use the subtraction method, which you can use from the half hour to the next hour. And what you do is you subtract the amount of minutes to the next hour. So for example, 6:35. You would say it's 7 o'clock and then you subtract 25. So you would say, il est 7h moins 25, using minus, the word minus, which is moins. Il est 7h moins 25. If you want to say it's 8:40, you would say literally it's 9 minus 20. Il est 9h moins 20. If you want to say 10:50, you would literally say it is 11 minus 10. Il est 11h moins 10. Okay, so now in this lesson we are going to learn some special time-related expressions. The first two are a quarter past. You would say un quart, and half past would be un demi. Let's look at some examples. If you wanted to say a quarter past 5, it's a quarter past 5, you would say il est 5h15. Il est 5h15. If you want to say it's a quarter past 7, il est 7h15. Il est 7h15. It's a quarter past 11. Il est 11h15. Il est 11h15. The next expression is half past, which would be un demi. Un demi. So if you want to say it's half past 6 or it's 6:30, you can say il est 6h30. Il est 6h30. Notice that the demi has the E on it because it's agreeing with the word hour, which is grammatically feminine. So we add the E. Il est 6h30. If you want to say it's half past 8, you would say il est 8h30. Il est 8h30. It's half past 10. Il est 10h30. Il est 10h30. A couple of other time-related expressions are it's noon, il est midi, il est midi, it's midnight, il est minuit, il est minuit. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. To continue learning about time, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.